Video, it's simple, gets you straight to the point. It's on how to make easy, quick money in 90 days. Won't cost you a penny. It's free. Does require for you to have probably good credit and some money to deposit, at least $1,500 to the bank to be able to get a bonus. So the banks give you a bonus. For instance, they sent me this one. I've had this probably for about 2 months. It's a $400 bonus from Regions Bank. And my baby's outside. Hey, I'm coming inside right now. I'm doing a YouTube video. Esmeralda! Esmeralda! Hey, mama! Where you at? Yeah, I'll be inside right now. So, that's my wife and that's my baby girl, Esmeralda. She's a year old. I've been running errands all day. They're like, where have you been? Well, I was making $400 for free on my day off. That's where I've been. You could open multiple bank accounts and do this promo and make hundreds of bucks. But the requirement was to deposit $1,500 in the bank, and those $1,500 in the bank have to stay there. Don't go below that balance. If you go below your $1,500 or whatever the promotion says, you're gonna lose money, because then you're spending, you're paying fees, monthly fees of $18 or $30 to maintain your checking account open. But if you keep the minimum requirement, you have 3 months, 90 days, and you make $400. That's the bonus that I'm getting for keeping $1,500 in the bank. After those 90 days, I can choose to go close the bank account, or I can leave it there as a savings money. It's always good to branch with different banks, by the way, because in the case of emergency or you travel, you know, a lot of these banks, they'll waive like ATM fees. So that's the bank card you want to take on the case you travel. Right there, colorful. What I do, I look at $400, free checking account, and then I go to small details in the back. And if it interests me, then I'll read maybe the whole flyer. So on when you open credit cards, I always get credit cards with a bonus. They offer me, hey, get this credit card after you spend, what was it, $1,000 in 90 days on a credit card, you get $200 cash back or deposit on your credit card account. Those are good, but you gotta have good credit. So doing that, I get, I open the credit card. I'm gonna spend everything, gas money, grocery monies. Those 90 days, all I'm using is that one single card. That way you make sure you hit that requirement. Some of the requirements sometimes higher. In this case, it's $1,000 in 90 days, I believe. So it's not too difficult to do. I mean, when you put all your bills together and your payments of whatever you pay monthly, you'll hit that. Anyway, yeah, I've been wanting to upload this for a long time. I just never get the chance to do it. Hope y'all like it. Hope y'all learn from it. And go get that money, because it's free a lot of times out there. You just have to get those ads from the banks or the credit cards. It's free money. Who cares if your credit drops a point or two? It'll come back up after you're making those payments. I always pay everything in full, so you don't pay interest. Anyway, just thought I'd share a little bit of my knowledge of what I know. Now, because of my knowledge and I work hard, I'm going to show you some of my toys I have.